Hi everybody, I've got my modern quilters box. It finally came. This is the last one I'm going to get at the moment because our Aussie dollar is terrible and postage all around the world is very difficult. So I'm really looking forward to this. Lovely box, pretty flowers on it, so I can't wait to see what's inside. Here we go, bit of tissue paper, a bit more tissue paper. And here we go, the modern quilters box. Wow, what a month this has been, and more so. Okay, oh, there's a few extra things. So let's find out what's going on. Times are tough. You know, they're talking about the coronavirus and our almost lockdown that we're in at the moment. And they've got some extra fabrics in here, and a pattern for some face masks, which I haven't made yet. We here in Australia, they haven't been saying that we needed to wear them, so until they do, I think I'll hang off. But let's get into this box, shall we? I can see some lollies. Looks like a nice chewy caramel. That'll be nice. Let's get to some pretty fabrics. Haven't had a quick read yet. This month's fabrics are called Hello Sunshine from Katie Skoog. What beautiful, beautiful, pretty prints. Blues with sunshine and pretty stripes and gorgeous pinks. Pretty blues again with more flowers, just what we all need. And what have we got in here? We've got some modern handmade, some half yards. Wow, oh, a bit of orange, oh well. But it does look quite nice with that navy, so that's lovely. And I think here's a bit more from the Hello Sunshine range. Isn't that sweet? I do like that. And more of that gorgeous, gorgeous pink colours. Just with a small dash of orange. I'll live with. And another beautiful little floral, tiny little floral. That is so cute. They are all beautiful and sunshiny and happy, which is just what we need. And these half yards, that they added in the extra fabric, the half yards to make face masks with. So that was lovely of them. Got a bit of, this might be for the face masks, for the ties, for the face masks. Oh, I missed a bit of fabric. And some more lovely blue. That's pretty. And what have we got here? We've got a little pattern, a sash and dash, just a nice little quick pattern. Just a little card, sort of a bit log cabinish, but not quite. That's cute. Ooh, and some sewing needles. Always love sewing needles. These are chrome professional grade. I'll have to have a bit of a read of those. Always good to have some different sewing needles on hand. And the tea for this month was stress support. So totally needed, hey? Because even though we're, well, quite safe here in where we are in Australia, just the stress of what's going on in the world and what's could be going on in our own country has been very stressful. Very lucky that got home and food and a loved one just to share the time with, but I must say I'm doing quite a little bit more sewing. And here's the sticker, be known for your kindness and grace. That's another lovely one too. Well, that was a gorgeous box. I'm hopeful that once things calm down a little bit, that maybe our Australian dollar will perk back up again, and I'll be able to get some more of these. But really lovely. So the modern quilters box.